Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can connect CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store. I'm gonna be showing you everything you need to know about how you can use CJ on Shopify. Okay, what I like about CJ Dropshipping is the shipping time, and also you can find stock in any country, United States, Germany, Europe, any country in the world. You can find a stock in CJ Dropshipping. That's what I like about CJ. And also, as you can see, it says here DHL official, the shipping time is 3 to 7 days, which is really good. You will have no problem with your customers on Shopify. Now, a lot of people have problems with shipping time, especially if they are using AliExpress or Alibaba. Now, what I like about CJ, like I said, is the shipping time. Now, first you need to create an account on CJ. You want to search for cj.com and you want to click on register. I'm just going to create an account using my Facebook or Google. I'm just going to go with Google. And after, guys, you create an account on CJ, everything else is very easy. The first thing you need to know, you need to do to connect your CJ to your Shopify store, is you want to click on authorization in the top left, okay, and you want to select Shopify. After, guys, you select Shopify, you will see here, just close this. And you can see here, it says you haven't authorized any store yet. You want to click on add store, okay? Now for me, it took me directly to this page. If it doesn't take you to this page, you want to go to your Shopify, click on settings at the very bottom left, copy the URL of your Shopify store. This is the URL of your Shopify store. Copy it, and you want to paste it there. It will ask you guys to add your Shopify URL, paste it there, and then click on authorize, okay? And after that, it will take you to an app where you can download an app, okay? Now if it take you to the same page as me, you want to click on authorize, and it will take you directly to an app that you have to download, okay? I'm going to click on add app, and you want to click on install app in the top right. Now after, guys, you install the app, then other steps are very easy. Now you want to click on authorize, click on confirm, click again on authorize, and you have successfully linked or connected your Shopify store to CJ Dropshipping. Now, as you can see, it says here, CJ will make your dropshipping business much easier. So what I like about CJ is they will ship the item automatically. You just have to set this up. You just have to give CJ the permission to ship the items every time an items after someone places an order on your Shopify store. CJ will take care of everything, okay? Now you want to click on list it now, and now you just want to find an item. Now you have successfully connected your CJ to your Shopify store, okay? Now you want to find an item that you want to list on your Shopify. For example, I'm just going to go with this one, as you can see. And the next thing you need to do, guys, is to list this item on your Shopify. As you can see, this is the product. Now we are going to list this exact product on our Shopify store. And yeah, you just want to click on a list. As you can see, it says here list, click on list. And as you can see, it says here product type. You want to add here the product type. It says here gaming desk. You just want to click on add new, and you want to click just, for example, test, for example, the collections, the homepage, okay? You just want to click on add new and then select the collections here. Vendor, I'm just going to go with test. Then as you can see, it says here the price, okay? This is the price of the item. This is how much, by the way, this is how much money CJ will charge you every time you get a sale on your Shopify store. They will take $38 from the sale, okay? Now this is your price. You have to increase the price, especially if you are using Facebook ads or Instagram influencers. Like, you will have to pay for advertising, then you will have to increase the price a little bit higher, like just increase it, for example, to $60. But if you are using organic traffic, for example, from TikTok, I would say for 55 is good, okay? Just go to where it says price change and add here 55, click OK, and that's it. That's your price, okay, on Shopify. Alright, now you want to scroll down a little bit and you want to select here ship my order, most, so you want to select United States. After that, guys, you select United States. You want to click on where it says shipping method. You want to click on CG packet, and you want to select this one. It's called CG packet sensitive because the shipping time is very quick. It's only 8 days, as you can see. And you want to click on list it now, and this exact product will be listed into your Shopify store. Yeah, now if someone buys the product from you, like I said, CG, you will find that product on your CG account. Now wait for it. As you can see, listing in progress. You may check the listing states in on listing. Listed products can be managed. Now if you click on view it in store, you will see that exact product on your store, as you can see. And I'm just going to click on it right now. I'm going to find that product on my store. As you can see, this is the product. This is, yeah, as you can see, this is the product. We have successfully added the product to our Shopify store. Now every time this item sells, you will go to CG and you want to click on here, and then you want to click on profile, and you want to click on orders. And here you will find, like, every time your item gets every time you sell this item on your Shopify, you will find that item here, and you will find also the address of the customer here. You don't even have to give the address manually. You will find it here. You just want to click on send the items here, and you will have to pay, guys, CG, so that you can send the item to the customer. Okay, so I hope, guys, this video helped you. Now make sure, guys, you add here the like for example, how many hours left for this item to be out of stock, stuff like that. Click the video in the screen to learn how you can do that, and see you guys next video. Please drop a like on this video if this video helped you. See you guys in the next video.